Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to use prime factorization to find the square root of 7056. So I will first need to get the prime factorization out first. Alright, you may use any method. So I'm going to use the ladder method, divide by 2, and that will give me this. Continue to divide by 2, the first prime factor, until you cannot divide by 2 anymore. I cannot divide by 2 anymore. So let me try 3. Yes, I can divide by 3, the next prime number. Divide by 3. That will give me 49. Divide by 7. And I'm done. So the prime factorization of 7056 will be then this. And I'm going to do the square root. 2 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 2. 7 to the power of 2. And from here, you can then see that when we do square root, we do look at the power of all the prime factors and we divide by. Wonderful. We divide by 2. I'm sure everyone got it right. So 2, the power is 4. Divide by 2 will be 2. Very good. Times 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I shall not write the 1 out. 7 as well. And notice, they want the answer in index notation. This will be the final answer. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.